Are you all available here? So let's begin with the paper one. Okay, let's our friend connect. Okay, this is shift one. We have to do few changes. Okay, we have few changes in this. It's a shift one. Okay, by chance, it has come out to be shift two. Okay, so let's just continue. Let's wait for our friend. Let's wait for our friend to connect. Let's wait for our friend. We'll complete this paper in less than 30 minutes. That's our aim. So, are you continuing with this? We are ready to knock. Let's ready to rock. We are here to rock it. Yes. Let's rock it. So we are waiting for a few more seconds and then we'll begin. So we are going with JEE Main Shift 1 discussion. So those who are willing to rock it and sock it, let's continue. Yes. So we can continue now. Let's start to solve this question. This is the question from very basic paper 1 discussion. So shortest distance. If we try to go by shortest distance, We simply know that we have 1, we have point like 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 1. So if we calculate this distance, it is nothing but 3, 0, 2, and we have 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 2. This is the length. This is, if you see A cross P, in dot this upon mod of A cross B, mod of A cross B. So it is better to calculate mod of A cross B. Mod of I cap, J cap, K cap, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 2. This is, we will have to calculate. So let's calculate first this one. 3 into 6 minus 32 plus 2 into 16 minus 21. 16 minus 21, which is minus 5. Now if you calculate, it is nothing but 26 into 3 minus 100 minus 78 plus 10 minus 88. So it will be mod, okay? And now we calculate I cap. Mod of I cap 6 minus 32 minus 26 minus J cap 4 minus 28 minus 24 plus K cap 16 minus 21 minus 5. It is 88 upon root 26 whole square, 24 whole square plus 5 whole square. Now the difficulty is in calculation. 26 whole square, okay? Now difficulty is in calculation, isn't it? So 576 plus 25 is 601. 26 whole square is 676, which is 7 7 12. So it is 88 upon root under 12 77. So this is the one of the option, okay? In a bag we have 6 white, 4 black. 2 balls are drawn at random, then probability that both are white. So 6C2, 10C2, which is nothing but 6 into 5, 10 into 9, which is 1 by 3. Okay? If A be 3 into 3 square matrix and determinant of A is equal to minus 2, then determinant of 3 adjoint minus 6 adjoint 3A. Now what will happen? This will come out to be 3 square 3 cube mod. 6 will come out with 6 square, and this is adjoint of 3A. So this is nothing but 3 cube 6 square 2 to the power 6. And if you see mod of adjoint, it is nothing but 3A to the power n minus 1 whole square, which is 4. And now 3 will come out with 3 cube to the power 4, which is 3 to the power 12. And it is mod A to the power 4, and it is nothing but 2 to the power 4. So you can see that it is nothing but 2 to the power 10 3 to the power 21. So we can say that n is 10, m is 21. Yes. So 4m plus 2n is nothing but 104. So this is the answer. Moving ahead. A1, A2, A3 are in geometric progression such that A1 into A5. So it is A1, A1R, A1R square. It will go this way. So it is something A1 square R1 to the power 4 equal to 28. And we have A1R plus A1R cube equal to 29. Now what will happen? If we take A1R common, we have 1 plus R square, which is 29, and A1R square. Okay, so this is what we have. If we divide both of them, we are going to get 1 plus R square is equal to 29 upon. So admit card will be black and white. Okay. So this is 29 by 28 R cube, which is nothing but 28 plus 28 R square equal to 29 R cube. If you could fill that R is equal to 1. So it will be 29 R cube minus 29 R square minus 28. So this is also 28. Okay. So R is 1. So we are going to get some quadratic. If R is 1, A1 is root 28. So if R is 1, A1 is going to be root 28. So A6 is root 28. Okay. But let's see. Okay. Now we have R minus 1 and we have 29 R cube minus 28 R square minus 28. We are going to follow 29 R square, which is 29 R cube minus R square minus plus minus 27 R square minus 28. Okay, we should be getting some factor, isn't it? Okay, R equal to 1 is not satisfying this. Okay, R equal to 1 is not satisfying this. So we should wait and just see how to solve this question. Okay, we thought R equal to 1 is satisfying this. Okay. R equal to 1 is not satisfying. Okay. Let's check A. This is A R Q 29. Okay. If we divide by A to the power 4, it is, let's do A R cube equal to root 28 and then divide. So we are getting 1 by R square. This is AR square. Okay. 1 by r plus r equal to 29 by root 28. So this is always bigger than equal to 1. So we have problem in question then. This should be always bigger than equal to 2. So how is it happening? So this, I will say that this mathematics has something wrong. This is not 29. I would say this is not 29. Okay, there is something mathematically wrong. Otherwise, what will happen? We'll calculate and find AR and everything. Question has some mistake. 1, 2, 3 are there. Number of non-empty and non-equivalents. So what will happen? For equivalents, we will be having 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma 3. We'll have 1, comma 2, 1, comma 2, 1, comma 3, 2, comma 1, 3, comma 1, 3, comma 2, 2, comma 3. So for reflexive, we have 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma 3. Now what will happen? See, 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3. So this is going here. So the line is coming, line is coming, line is coming. Now what will happen? Now what will happen? From 1, if we are going to 2, a line should come back also. So if we keep 1, comma 2, we'll have to keep 2, comma 1. Isn't it? So if we put 1, comma 2, we'll have to put 2, comma 1 in order to make it symmetric. Okay. So what will happen? We have such option like 1, comma 3, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 3, 3, comma 2. So this is okay. So if we put this, if we put one of this, we'll have to make one this. So we can put any one of three this, so isn't it? So we can have 3C0. We can have 3C0. That means none of them. We can have one of them. Okay. We can have none of them. We can have one of them, like one set of them. Okay. So it will become 3 times. If we put 1, comma 2, 2, comma 1, 1, comma 2, 1, comma 3. So what will happen? 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So we will have 3 to 1, then 1 to 2 should be there, isn't it? So if we put one of them, it is 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 2. It is transitive. Now what will happen? When we will try to put 2, like 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. So it is 1 to 2, 2 to 1. So 2 to 1, 1 to 3 will be 2 to 3, 3 to 2. So if you want to keep more than 1, we'll have to keep both of them. Okay. Like we have one possibility which is none, none of this, or any one of these. So any one of these is this case, and one case will be if we have more than one. then we will have to put all of them. Okay, if we have to put 2 set, then we'll have to put all of them. Then this is what? Equal to 5. So 5 is the answer. So 16 sec inverse, we have to solve this question. So fx is equal to 16 sec inverse x. This is pi by 2 minus sec inverse x whole square. This is 16 sec inverse x whole square plus pi square by 4 sec inverse x whole square minus pi sec inverse x. So we got pi square by 4 normally, and now we have 17 sec inverse x whole square minus pi sec inverse x. So what will happen is that we'll try to form square. This is pi square by 4. We'll pull out 17 out. We have nothing but sec inverse x 2 into pi by 34 whole square minus pi by 34 whole square, which is nothing but pi square by 4 minus pi square by 68, and we have 17 sec inverse x minus pi by 34 whole square. This is 16 pi square by 68 plus 17 sec inverse x minus pi by 34 whole square. Now we have to find minimum and maximum. So it is nothing but 4 pi square by 17, and we have 17. So sec inverse can be pi 0 to pi by 4. So this could be 0 to make it minimum. To make it maximum, it should be 4 pi square by 17, and sec inverse is 0 to pi by 4 minus pi by 4, adding will be 33 pi by 4 to minus pi by 4 whole square will be 0 to 33 by 34 whole square pi square. So this is minimum, this is maximum. So you will find one of the option to be present like this. Now this is the question 8. So we can say 8 is equal to 3 upon 3 common 1 by 4 square dot infinity, and we have p by 4 whole square dot up to infinity. If you see, it is 3 upon 4 to the power 0. So it is 3 common 1 upon 1 minus r, and we have p by 4 1 minus p by 4, which is 8. So 8 is equal to nothing but 4 plus p upon 4 minus p. It is nothing but 4 into 4 minus p equal to p, which is nothing but 16. 4p 5p, 16 by 5 equal to p. So this is the one of the option. Now dy by dx. So what will happen? We'll put 1 by y square e to the power 1 by y square dy, which is nothing but e to the power minus 1 by y. So integrating factor is this. So it is nothing but e to the power minus 1 by y x d, and it is e to the power minus 1 by y if we see the differentiation of this is y square, and we have plus 1 by y. So if you see it, it is nothing but minus t e to the power t. Okay, and if you try to do by part, it is t e to the power t minus e to the power t. So we have integration both the sides, isn't it? We integrated both the sides. So we are getting e to the power minus 1 by y into x equal to e to the power minus 1 by y minus t is what? Plus 1 by y e to the power minus 1 by y plus c. At 1 this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so c is equal to minus 1 by e. So we got something x equal to 1 plus 1 by y minus e to the power 1 by y. Okay, if we put x equal to 1 by 2, x 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 minus e square. Okay, let's move ahead. This is the question. Let tr, it is not let tr, it is summation of tr. It is summation. It is summation of tr is this. So we'll do summation of tr minus tr minus 1, which is nothing but 2r minus 1, 2r plus 1, 2r plus 3, 2r plus 5, upon 64 minus r equal to r minus 1 is 2r minus 3, 2r minus 1, 2r plus 1, 2r plus 3. So what will happen? We will have 64 at the bottom and 1 3. 1 3 is common. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 3. So we have 2r minus 1, 2r plus 1, 2r plus 3 and 2r plus 5 minus 2r plus 3, which is 8. So 8 8 ja. Now this is nothing but tr. Okay. Okay. So what will happen? 1 by tr summation is nothing but 8 summation 1 upon 2r minus 1, 2r plus 1, 2r plus 3. It is 8. Now difference of these two is nothing but 2. Yes. So we have 1 upon 2r minus 1, 2r plus 3 minus 1 upon 2r plus 1, 2r plus 3. This is in summation. Now difference of this is 4. Yes, so we'll divide by 4. So this 8 is gone, I think. So we have 2r minus 1 minus 2r plus 3. And this is minus, the difference of this is 2. 2. Okay. So it will become 2 times of 1 upon 2r plus 1 minus 1 upon 2r plus 3. Okay. Now what will happen? If you start solving this, r equal to 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 5. Okay, wait. Okay, 1 by 5, let's continue. It will go dot dot dot. 1 by 5, it is 1 by 3, 1 by 5. So these are getting cancelled, isn't it? So it will get cancelled, cancel, cancel, cancel. It is minus 2 time 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 7. So cancel, 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 cancel. Okay. So it is nothing but we have not left space. So it is nothing but if you see it is 1 plus 1 by 3, 4 by 3, and it is minus 2 by 3, which is nothing but 2 by 3. So only the first two part 1 by 1 and 2 by 3 is going to stay, and this part is going to be stay. All are getting cancelled. So it's a 2 by 3. Moving ahead. This is the very simple question. This is 2008. This is 2007. So we can write is it as x minus 1, and this is x cube minus 1 to the power 2007. Now we have to find the power of coefficient of x to the power 2012. So it is simply x into x cube minus 1 2027 minus x cube minus 1 2007. It is 2007. So it is x. Now if you try to find any value, it is what? 2007 CR x to the power 3r. This should be 1. So 3r plus 1 is 2012. 3r plus 1 should be 2012. So r will not come out to be integer. That means this coefficient is 0. Now it is 2007 CR1 x to the power 3r1. So 3r1 should be equal to 2012. So r1 is not equal to integer. So this is also equal to 0. So there is no term out of this whose coefficient is x to the power 12. So that means 0 is the answer. Now the number of element in set B. So what will happen? M and N are such that M is less than N and GCD of M comma N is equal to 1. Okay. Now what will happen? If we took M equal to 1, it will be 1, and here we can have any option 2, 3 up to 10 whose GCD will be 1 and M will be less than N. So if M is equal to 2, so here should be any number more than 2. So 2, 4, 6. 4, 6, 8, 10. 4 numbers are not possible, and we have total 8 numbers. So total 4 possibilities are there. So 4 possibilities are what? 3, 5, 7, 9. When M is equal to 3, it is 3, and the number coming here should not be 3, 6, 9. That means 4, 5, 7, 10. So 4 possibilities. M equal to 4. The number coming here should not be multiple of 2. That means 6, 8, 10. So we are left with 6 number. So only 3 possibilities are there. When M is equal to 5, we have to count. It is 5. So we have 5 numbers available. So out of that, one number is not possible. So we have 4 possibilities. Now M equal to 6, we have 6, 7, 7 is only the possibilities. 8, 9, 10. So 7 is only the possibilities. So m equal to 7. So 8, 9, 10. Three possibilities. M equal to 8. So 8 by 9. Only one possibilities. M equal to 9. We have 9 by 10. Only one possibility. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, 13, 8, 21, 21 plus 9. So 30 is the answer. Okay. A coin is tossed thrice. Find let the random variable x is tail follows a head. So x is tail. So total sample is tail, 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 head, 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 tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head. Okay. Now head, tail, head, 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 tail, head, tail. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 8 possibilities are uh, head, tail, tail. Okay. So now see, in this, is there any tail following head? No. Is there any tail following head? No. Is there any tail following head? No. So here's one tail following head, no head, tail following head, one tail following head, one tail following head, one tail following head. Okay. So what will happen? Mean is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4, which is 1. Sigma square is what? X minus x dash whole square by n. So n is 8. No, this is 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So it is nothing but 4 by 8. We have 8 samples. It is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2 whole square, and it is also 1 by 2. So into 2. So it is 1 by 4. So if you see 64, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. It is nothing but 3 by 4, which is 48 is the answer. Gx is this thing. F double dash x is bigger than 0. X belongs to 0 to 3. Gx decreases with. So what will happen? G dash x will come out to be f dash x by 3 minus f dash 3 minus x. Now f double dash x is increasing. F double dash x is bigger than 0. That means f dash x is increasing. That means f dash x is increasing. So if this will have to be negative, what will happen? X plus 3 will have to be less than 3 minus x. That means x will have to be less than 9 by 4 and x is bigger than 0. So it is 0 alpha. Alpha is equal to 9 by 4. Now we have let b vector equal to lambda I cap lambda I cap 4k cap projection of b on a. That means b vector dot a vector upon mod a vector is c vector. That means it is also a vector. Then can we say that it is a vector by mod a vector, which is c vector? So b dot a is nothing but 2 lambda minus 4 upon 3 into 3, and this is A vector, which is C vector, isn't it? Now we are told that A vector plus C vector mod is equal to 7. So can we say it is nothing but mod A upon 2 lambda minus 4, 6 plus 1 mod equal to 7, and this is 3. So we got somewhere 2 lambda plus 1 upon 6 into 3 equal to 7, and this is mod. We can further say that it is lambda equal to plus minus 7 minus 1. So lambda is 6 or minus 8. Now we are told to find the area of parallelogram, which is mod B cross C, which is B cross C. So lambda is 6 or minus 8. Okay, lambda is 6 or minus 8. Hmm. So B cross C means what? B cross 6. So 6 I cap plus 4 k cap. We are taking everything, okay? And C vector is nothing but, if it is 6, 12 minus 4, 8. 8 by 9. 8 by 9, 2, 2 minus 1. This is the mod. So we'll have to solve it. I, J, K, 6, 0, 4. 8 by 9 we are keeping outside, okay? And 2, 2 minus 1. Let's solve it. 8 by 9, I cap minus 8 minus j cap minus 6 minus 8 plus 14 plus k cap 12 mod. So if we take 4 common, 2 common, or 64 plus 144, 208, 208 plus 196, 208 plus 196. So we'll do 208 plus 196. 864 910 408 9 into 8. So if this is the option, this could be the answer, or we'll go with minus 8. Minus 16 by 9. So we will have minus 16 by 9. Okay. And then we'll have uh, minus 8 minus 4. We'll have minus 8 minus 4. And we'll solve accordingly. Okay. So we'll go accordingly and we'll get the answer. So now this is the question. We have a parabola which is cutting coordinate axis. So if you find this is 0 comma minus 3, this is x1 comma 0, this is x2 comma 0. We are making a triangle P Q R. Okay. So area of triangle PQR is nothing but half into x2 minus x1 into height. Height is minus 3. We'll take it 3 because the area is going to be positive, isn't it? Now, the circumcenter of the triangle is minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay. So we can say that circle equation is x plus 1 whole square y plus 1 whole square equal to r square. We'll put 0 comma 3 in this. 0 comma minus 3. We are getting 5. Now uh, in x-axis y is 0. So we are getting x plus 1 whole square equal to 4. So x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 3. So x1 minus x2 is nothing but 4. 4 into 3 by 2, which is 6. So 6 is the answer. Okay. If the circle x minus 2 root 3 whole square plus y square plus 12 and parabola. So let's draw the circle. So I think this circle is passing through center. It is 2 root 3 comma 0. Okay. And we have a parabola somewhere like this. So what will happen? This parabola will cut symmetrical if you see. An area of P, Q, R. So if this point is x1 and y1, area of PQR is nothing but half into x. This height is x and this is 2y, which is nothing but x into y. So we have to find x and y, the point of intersection. So in place of y, we'll put 2 root x. So it is x square plus 12 minus 4 root 3 x plus 2 root 3 x equal to 12. We are going to get x square minus 2 root 3 x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or 2 root 3. So this point is 2 root 3. X is 2 root 3. Y is 2 root 3. So if you find x into y is nothing but 12. So this is the answer. A hyperbola with foci 1, 14. So a hyperbola with 1, 14. That means 1 is this thing. So x equal to 1 and it's a 14. X equal to 1 and it's a minus 12. Okay. Now what will happen? It passes through 1, 6. So 1, 6 focus is this. Okay. This is focus. And it passes through 1, 6. So 1, 6 could be here or could be here. Yes. Now you see 2AE is nothing but 26. So AE is 13. Now if you see, if 1, 6 is here and this is 14. So we can say that AE plus A is equal to uh, A plus A is equal to 8. Or if it is here, then we can say that A minus A is equal to, if it is this side, okay. Or it could be a minus a equal to 18, isn't it? Now a is 13, so a will become negative, so this is invalid. So a is 13, a will become 15, which is wrong. So it means that 1 comma 6, if we put here, it is a minus a is equal to 8. Okay, so a is equal to 5. We got a equal to 5, e equal to 13 by 5. Okay, now latest rectum is what? Latest rectum is 2b square by a. So 2b square is nothing but a e square 169 by 25 minus 1, and a is nothing but 5. So 2 into 5, 144 by 25. It is 288 by 5, which is 557.6. Let's see the answer. And one thing we know that distance of 1 comma 6 with this foci is 8 minus distance of this with this is 18, which is equal to 2a. So a is equal to 5. Yes, that we got it. A equal to 5. So latest rectum is 2b square by a when it is x square minus y square. But here it is y minus x. So we can't follow this thing, isn't it? So we'll have to follow something different. So we can't follow this, isn't it? We have to follow this one. Our equation is somewhere x minus 1 whole square uh, upon 25 minus y minus 1 whole square upon 25. B square is what? 25 169 upon 25 minus 1, which is 144. So 2b square by a is what? 2 into 144 by 5, 288 by 5. Okay, we got the same answer. Yes. If image of ABC in the line is DEF, then the centroid. So simply use the image formula. X minus 1 upon 1, y minus 3 upon 2 equal to minus 2 time of 3 upon 5. We will get the point D from here. Okay, we have uh, x equal to minus 6 by 5 plus 1 minus 1 by 5. So it is minus 12 by 5, 15, 3 by 5. This is D. Okay. Similarly, we'll find x minus 3 upon 1, y minus 1 upon 2 equal to minus 2 times of 5 by 5. So from here we'll get E. So E is what? 1 minus 3. Now we have F. X minus 2 upon 1. Y minus 4 upon 2 equal to minus 2 time of 10 upon, okay, sorry, x plus 2y minus. So it is 1 plus 6, 7, 7 minus 3. It is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 4, which is 1. Okay, so it is minus 2 by 5 only. So minus 2 by 5 plus 3. Minus 2 by 5 plus 3. 15 minus 2. 13 by 3. 13 by 5. It is minus 4 by 5 plus 1. 1 by 5. This is 10 minus 4 by 5. So this is minus 12 by 5. Now f will come out to be minus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5. So centroid will come out to be a plus b minus 3 by 5 plus 13 by 5, 2 by 3, uh, 13 by 5 by 3. It's a 2 by 3. And we have 0. Oh, so what are we getting? So what are we getting? Let's see, x minus 1. Once we try with the centroid, if C1 is centroid 3 plus 4 to 6, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 by 3. If we try to find image of this, x is 2, 16, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 16 by 3, 10 by 3, 10 by 15. So it's nothing but 4 by 3. So x will come out to be 2 by 3, 0. Okay. So I think our answer is correct. Option is wrong. Okay, option is wrong. Now this is also simple question. We are given that z1 is e to the power iota pi by 4 and zi is 1. So it is nothing but e to the power iota pi by 4, which is 1 by root 2 1 plus iota, and z2 is nothing but 1. Z3 is nothing but 1 by root 2 1 minus iota. Okay. Now in this place we have to put mod z1 minus z1 dash into z2, which is nothing but 1 by root 2 1 minus iota, z2 dash 1 plus 2 root 2 1 minus iota. and z3 minus z1 dash. It is 1 by root 2, 1 minus iota, 1 plus iota, 1 plus iota whole square. So it is nothing but 1 by 2, 2 minus 2 iota. This is 1 by 2 whole square also, okay. It is root 2, 1 plus 1 minus iota, and this is 1 by 2. 1 square, iota square, 2 iota, it is iota. It is root 2 iota 1 minus root 2 whole square. So mod is what? 2 plus 1 minus root 2 whole square. It is what? 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, minus 2 root 2. So A is 5, B is minus 2. So we got the answer, isn't it? Okay, this is the last question. So how many ways are there to pick 5 letters from English alphabet such that M is middle? M is middle and there is 5 number. So before M we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. That means before this we have 12 alphabet and here we have 13. So we can choose 12C2 into 13C2, and their arrangement is 2 factorial 2 factorial. So we can say it is 12 into 11 into 13 into 12, and it is nothing but 12 into 11 into 13. Calculate it, you will get the answer. Okay, so we are done with all the question. I scored 100%. How much are you scoring? You should tell me, okay?